Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to download apps on your iPhone. So first you need to find your App Store. Open it. Find the app that you want to download, for example Twitter. Press on it. Then press and select this little icon with a cloud and arrow pointing down, and your app should be downloading right now. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, commenting and liking this video.